In this tutorial, we will cover chart types in Excel. Please open the file O3 Chart Types. Different types of charts are better for presenting different types of information. For example, a column chart is great for comparing values of different items, but not for illustrating trends or relationships. If you find that a chart you've created isn't the best fit for your data, you can easily switch to a different chart type. Simply go and select the chart that you have. You'll see this one's our column chart for information. And we might decide that really doesn't serve our needs. You can go up to the Chart Tools Design tab, click on it, and on the right in the Types group you'll see Change Chart Type. You can also simply right-click on the chart and you'll see that there's Change Chart Type from the pop-up window there. Whichever way you select, when you click on it you'll get the pop-up window and you'll get the Change Chart Type dialog box. On the left, of course, is that Recommended Charts tab, and you can see all the recommended charts Excel recommends for your data. Or you can just click back onto All Charts and leave it there, and you'll see different charts you can use. Let's say you want to go for a bar chart. Go down to the bar, and there, you'll see there's your clustered bar. Put your pointer on them, and it gives you a preview of what it would look like. Go ahead and click on the chart you want, click OK, and you'll see it applies that chart type to your data. Additionally, you can switch your rows and columns of your data. Notice here on the Chart Tools Design tab, you'll see over here to the right in the Data group, Switch Rows and Columns. All you need to do is just click on it, and you'll see it switches my data, so it puts all of my agents at the bottom, and now on the left-hand side are all of the different cities. You can also bring this information up by clicking on Select Data, which allows you to go in for more detail with your chart information, and you'll see there's the Switch Row and Columns button right in the middle. Either way, this will help you to understand how to change around your chart to bring out the data in detail that you want to have.